Hi friends, I'm a little shocked by myself when I see that right now Claude desktop automatically organize my downloads folder. My downloads folder, it is 30 gigabytes, 6,000 files. Of course, I did a backup copy, you see, before running it. But now I see it's doing pretty good. It created organized, like categorized my files, medical files, and like ebook documents and duplicates to review and all system files and photos, videos categorized. And I approved it, analyzing it, and I see Claude just moving. Let me speed up moving files. I move business documents, medical files, and continue organizing. Let me continue with archives. And you can see as slowly here increased number of files in organized folder. Already 8 gigabytes out of 30. So I see after 5 minutes of execution, roughly it stopped. So I just say continue. Please, you're doing good. Cheer up. And okay. Oh, what I want? No, I want if it can to show. Please continue, but each time you call MCP, show me more details. What exactly you doing? For example, move file this to that. It's just human instructions. Okay, yeah. Now it's show me. Business received zip file archives folder. Rows documents zip. So it also unzip my files and and show what's inside. Yeah, employment contract, guest rental examples, hospital back report, another. Yeah, it's crazy. Just crazy. 8.3 gigabytes, already 9.6 gigabytes, and show is going on.